My name is on the front of this job and it's my family name. And so we've got certain standards that we like to meet or exceed. We just completed this job. We did a full renovation on this home. We wrapped it with scaffold. We redid the exterior cladding with a hard trowel stucco finish, a synthetic finish. All the landscaping was redone. The paver driveways and the pathways were redone. The rear porches were all re-waterproofed, retiled, new handrails. We did a whole bunch of new windows and sliders and a whole bunch of really cool stuff on the inside of the house to update it. This was just regular old concrete before. We took everything out of this garage. We ground it, we prepped it. This is a particular finish that the client selected with these flakes, the colors, and then we just re-epoxied it. Yeah. So it's brand new, a lot easier to clean. It's got a nice finish. Soldier course around the pool. All these pavers were done, the drain was redone. All these ceilings, all these walls, all these columns, all hard troweled with a steel trowel. This is not a standard float finish that you might see where you put sand in it and you float the sand. This is all hard troweled. The beautiful thing about this finish is it kind of shows the element of human error. It's got the patina with a little bit of subtle trowel marks in it, so the sheen and everything shows the mark of the craftsman, and you've got this really nice, straight, smooth finish and yet you still have some trowel marks. Part of the challenge too was trying to protect the pool while we were doing this. So, a lot of stuff can fall in the pool, so we had to cover stuff. We had to erect scaffold all the way up and take everything off and put it all back on.
My part in this is I did quality control and made sure that my site supervisor was running it according to the schedule. So whenever an item or a subcontract is completed, I come out and I check it and I make sure that the quality is to what we would accept at Nelson Construction.
One of the things that we do at Nelson Construction is we do our own inspections. So like when you pull a permit to do a job, the city's gonna come out and they're only gonna inspect it against code, but they really don't care what it looks like. And, my name is on the front of this job and it's my family name. And so we've got certain standards that we like to meet or exceed for a design build contractor. So we have a team that does all the design work in the house. We try to understand what the clients want. And then we let Nikki, our design director of design, she takes it over from there. We start putting ideas out and trying to get what they want and giving them some options. At the end of the day, it's our job to give a client lots of information so they can make an educated choice on what they want to do. This particular family is not even in the country. We've got a really good reputation for working with a lot of people out of town. We use a cloud-based construction management software. We do a lot of daily logs, a lot of pictures, all that sort of thing. These people are in Germany and they signed a contract with us. I think we did about 3 or 4 meetings with them. We've done a lot of Zoom calls and meetings and stuff like that over the phone. But other than that, they're actually going to be arriving next Monday to see the house for the first time. And they're as you can see now, they're going to come back and they're getting what they paid for. So this balcony used to have kind of an old 1994 tile on it, and it had handrails that had glass panels, and they were getting kind of foggy and nasty looking. The challenge with replacing tile on a balcony that's where driving rain will come is that this essentially has to be treated like a roof. So when we remove the tile, the waterproofing membrane underneath actually gets damaged and compromised. So we have to re-waterproof this with a special material that you're allowed to put tile on top of. We redid all this tile. We had all these handrails, aluminum handrails, powder coated with cable railings, done custom in a shop. There used to be an old, nasty stuccoed grill here. That's gone. All these are new sliders. This isn't just, throwing some bricks together. That window alone it's probably a $20,000 unit, so you don't want to drop it. Yeah, this room is, this is looking down onto the living room. I like to call it kind of an atrium style loft or whatever. But that giant window there, we had to replace it. And that thing weighed about 1,347 pounds, I believe. Very challenging install, impact rated window. Yeah, so this is a whole new solar system that we put up on this roof, and it's a new roof. The old roof was out of date, needed to get replaced, so we killed two birds with one stone. Biggest place where the roofs fail is when you have multiple penetration points. This is a proprietary system for covering up the mechanical connection so that you're fully waterproof and your panels are connected to the roof properly. This whole project was one of our ideal projects. The customer trusted my family business to just make this old house sing, you know, and so they allowed my design team to kind of inject some of their creativeness into it, you know, with their underlying protocol on what they wanted to do, and it was just we had just great synergy throughout the whole project, and it came out wonderful. I mean, at the end of the day, it's great to be able to see the customers, the look on their face when they come here. Ultimately, we know that they're in love with the job when they refer us to their neighbor and their friends. And I can't tell you how many houses I drive by that I've worked on over the last 20 years, actually 30 years, because I used to work for another GC prior to when I even got my own license. And I built a lot of stuff in this town, and it's really nice to drive by and people are still jumping in the pool that I built, or you know, parking on a driveway that we did or whatever. It's great. And this family is super stoked, super happy. I think it came off great.